And we start this video saying that Cubot has established a sub-brand Hafury, which focuses primarily on elegant and stylish smartphones. Featuring exquisite packaging, it's particularly suitable as a gift for your partner, especially for her, and today I'm introducing you the Hafury V1. And if we're talking about packaging, Hafury excel on this, offering a great unboxing experience, which will make you to say wow. As you can see, apart from the specs that are located on the back of the box, the name and model of the smartphone on each side as well, we have a different way of revealing the device. This box is designed to open in a unique way that sets it apart from other smartphones in its class. Once opened, we receive a beautiful message, a modern smartphone and the accessories. This set cleverly pairs a modern smartphone with its complementary accessory, a stylish phone case. But not just any case. The case, with its elegant design, mirrors the smartphone's sleek aesthetics, promising to offer not just protection but also a statement of style. And the case is just gorgeous. The case is coming on this gold color which radiates warmth and luxury. To ornament this golden canvas are diamond-like crystals carefully placed to catch the light and sparkle with every moment. Among these shiny diamonds lies a single pearl, adding an air of elegance. And I know even if they are not real, they just give impression of luxury and elegance. Attached to the case we have a great pocket that feel great on touch and reflect elegance as well. Inside, the pocket provides sanctuary for tiny keepsakes or notes or cards, making this case not just a protective shell but also a piece of art. A mirror, discreet yet functional, offering a glimpse of one's reflection, it's added to the case's thoughtful design. And not last, the case includes a small ring on each side of the case, allowing attachment like charms or straps, providing an additional element of customization. And it's great that we have that element available inside the box and looks great as well. A part of that, inside the box we have an additional case, some paperwork, the SIM pin to open the SIM tray, and a glass screen protector. Not last, we have an adapter to charge the device and an USB Type-C cable, both of them keeping the same light blue color as the device itself. And from this beautiful unboxing experience, let's move on the device itself, which also is coming in a discreet wrap and a screen protector that it's already applied on the entire screen of the smartphone. The Hafury V1 impresses with its sleek bar design and vibrant color options, including black, pink and light blue, exactly like our model. Its plastic and glass body exudes durability without compromising on style. Crafted from a combination of plastic and glass, the device feels sturdy in hand while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. The back of the device looks great on this light blue color, and the mini screen makes the device sets it apart from other smartphones in its class. And remaining on the back, a part of the mini screen we have a triple camera setup, the LED flashlight and the Hafury name. Switching to the front, I could see that the device have thin edges. The bottom chin is quite decent and on the top looks great with the teardrop notch. Above the notch we have the speaker grill, also on the bottom we have the loudspeaker and the USB Type-C charging port. On the right side we have the fingerprint sensor which is integrated into the power button. Also above that we have the volume buttons. On the top, not too much and looks quite clean. Then on the left side we have the SIM tray, which can be used to add a micro SD card and a SIM card into the same tray. Moving on the display, well, the main display of the Hafury V1 stands as a testament to its commitment to providing users with an immersive and visually stunning experience. Boasting a large 6.583-inch Full HD Plus IPS capacitive touchscreen, this device brings your content to life with vibrant colors, sharp details, and great clarity. With a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels, the Hafury V1 display ensures every image, video, and text to appear crisp and clear. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or gaming, you'll appreciate the sharpness and details offered by this high-resolution screen. Colors are vivid and true to life, making of a truly immersive viewing experience. The capacitive touchscreen of the Hafury V1 is responsive and precise, allowing for effortless navigation and smooth interactions. Whether you're scrolling through menus, typing messages, or playing games, the touchscreen sensitivity ensures a seamless and enjoyable user experience. And moving on, the main attraction of the device, in my opinion, the mini screen from the back of the Hafury V1 offers versatile functionality. With a 1.41-inch square AMOLED panel and touch panel support, users can interact with the screen effortlessly, navigating through various options and settings with ease. This secondary display is offering quick access to essential information without the need to unlock the main screen. Users can conveniently check notifications, view the time, check the date and the battery status, or even control music playback without interrupting their current activity. This feature provides enhanced accessibility and productivity, allowing users to stay informed and connected at a glance. With a simple touch, you can open the camera, switch between the front and the back camera, and just take a photo. Then simply open the gallery app and check the recent photo. One thing to know is that if you have the camera open on the mini screen, you cannot use the main camera app until you close the camera app from the mini screen, which in my opinion makes sense because you cannot use the camera app in two different screens in the same time. Not last, the mini screen has a dedicated menu into the settings where you can customize the display settings, the screen settings, notifications, music, camera settings, and useful instruction on how to check all of that. Powered by Android 13 and driven by the MT8788V octa-core processor, the Hafury V1 delivers smooth and efficient performance. With 256GB of internal memory and 8GB of RAM, expandable up to an additional 8GB from the main settings, this device offers ample storage and multitasking capabilities for your apps, games, and media. The 12nm architecture ensures efficient performance, handling everyday tasks with ease and responsiveness. The device offers seamless multitasking capabilities, allowing users to switch between applications with minimal or without any noticeable lag. During scrolling on different websites or playing games, I didn't encounter any issues or to see that the device struggled. The games that I played are not heavy games and it did run quite good on the device. Switching between apps or scrolling or even playing games seems to not be such a big problem for this device. The Hafury V1 boasts a camera system that empowers users to capture photos and videos in any scenario. At the front of the device, the Hafury V1 features a high-resolution 32-megapixel camera. This front-facing camera is perfect for selfies, video calls, and capturing your best angles. With its high megapixel count, the front camera delivers quite good and detailed selfies, allowing you to showcase your personality and style with every shot. But don't expect flagship level photos. On the back of the device, the Hafury V1 is equipped with a sophisticated rear camera setup. The primary camera boasts a 64 megapixel sensor. Complementing the primary camera are two additional lenses, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 0.3 megapixel deep sensor. The macro lens allows you to get up close and personal with the objects, capturing intricate details and textures that might otherwise go unnoticed. In addition to its great hardware, the Hafury V1 camera system also comes equipped with a range of advanced features and shooting modes. The camera app offers a variety of options to unleash your creativity and capture the perfect shot. You have access to portrait mode, ultra HD, beauty mode, macro and much more. In the camera settings, you have access to scene mode, white balance, ISO, anti-flicker, and more. Connectivity options on the Hafury V1 are comprehensive, catering to the needs of modern users. The SIM card slots support GSM, WCDMA, FDD, and TDD bands, ensuring compatibility with various networks worldwide. Data transfer is swift and convenient with Type-C USB connectivity, while mobile internet access is provided through data or Wi-Fi support. The inclusion of GPS, GLONASS and Galileo ensure accurate navigation whether you're exploring urban landscape or navigating remote terrain. Additional features such as NFC, OTG, and Face ID add convenience and security to the user experience, enabling contactless payments, easy file transfers, and secure device unlocking. The Hafury V1 is equipped with a robust 4350 mAh non-removable battery, offering extended usage throughout the day without the needs for frequent recharging. The package includes essential accessories such as an USB cable and an 18-watt charger. In conclusion, the Hafury V1 excels in delivering a comprehensive smartphone experience at an affordable price point. With its great specification including a great processor, ample storage, versatile camera setup, and extensive connectivity options, the Hafury V1 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking reliable Android smartphones. The inclusion of a mini screen on the back of the Hafury V1 exemplifies the device's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. By offering accessibility, versatile functionality, and aesthetic appeal, these unique features enhances the overall user experience, making the Hafury V1 stands out in the crowded smartphone market. Whether for productivity, convenience, or simply adding a touch of style, the mini screen on the back of the Hafury V1 is a welcome addition that elevates the device to new heights and definitely sets it apart from other smartphones in its class. And being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please support it with a like and share. Until the next time, all I can say, it's all the best.